DJ Maphorisa is accused of being a scammer. DJ Maphorisa is accused of being a scammer by a record label owned by the name of Letty Mncube. The amapiano pioneer apparently promised Letty some PR work for two upcoming artists, but Phori never delivered on his promise after getting paid. Some news reports that Letty approached them in order to get Maphorisa to pay out the $3,500 he owes the record label owner. During the negotiating stage, Letty revealed that Phori charges are $48,000, and this is for the two artists to record their music and also get their music to trend on social media, get booked for gigs. He would do this by promoting their work on his social media so his following can get to know about them. All of this for $48K, but Letty said she did not have the money, so she and Phori agreed to a deposit of $1,500. After paying the deposit, she then paid installments which amounted to $3,500. I ended up paying $3,500. I became suspicious when he failed to post my artists on his social media page. On the day we were supposed to meet, he didn't pick up my calls, she told the publication. 2 months ago, Maphorisa and his artists survived a murder attempt, and the reason is still unknown. He recently got out of hiding after the shooting incident which left 2 of his artists in ICU. Yeah, news revealed that the 2 musos had a hit ordered against them on the 8th of February and they dodged the hail of bullets coming from an Audi A4. On that Monday night, 2 gunmen fired at the DJ's Mercedes-Benz tour bus in East Strand. Even though the reasons behind the shooting have not been revealed, social media users have speculated that it involves women. Rumor has it that the musos were partying it up with another man's girlfriend apparently named Nia.